How to use the pencil tool. It's one of those odd tools in Photoshop. It's been there forever, and to be honest, it's pretty rough. It uses a hardened brush, so you can generate some interesting results such as pencil sketches or maybe writing a signature. However, you can do lots more with the pencil tool as well. Let's just go through it. So where is the pencil tool? It's here with the brushes. So pencil tool, select that. As you can change the size. You can't change the hardness. The whole thing is the hardness, it will just ignore. Doesn't make any difference the setting, it will just be equally hard. So if you push it up to 91, it becomes fairly crude. You can use any brush as well. So go over here and say click this one. So click and apply, and you can see the result there. You can also use brush settings. So you're not just limited to this design. So you can go to Window and Brush Settings. And you've got Color Dynamics. So let's just click there. You've got Background, also Hue Jitter, Saturation Jitter, Apply. And now I apply it. And you can see then you get this weird color effect just applied. And you can see the result there. You can also use Scatter. So if I apply Scatter, let's just go to the Scatter settings. And you can say scatter, increase it, and again, it will be applied across the entire image like that. So a variety of different designs can be used with the pencil tool. You can also use it with Symmetry. So just go here, click, and vertical. Of course, you could use any of the others as well. So vertical, and press return. And now apply. And you can see as you do that, applied on one side, applies on the other side as well. The pencil tool can also be used for pixel art. So I've just gone now down to a pixel level and I'm using one and I'm just going to apply it. Now, the key thing is auto arrays. Auto arrays is set on. So if I just go across there and you can see green. So if I zoom in even more, let's just zoom in a little bit more. You can see each of these individual pixels. Green there and white is the background. So if I go over again to the pencil brush and apply it to the green, what happens? It creates it in white, turns it to white. So if I go here, white. If I go back to the white, I can click on that and it becomes green. So it alternates between these colours when you've got auto arrays on. Now if I go down here and just the black area and apply it, it's going to be green. Again, if I go over the green, it's going to be white. Now if I go and click here, so now white is the top colour and green. If I apply here, it's in white. And you can build up all kinds of complex designs there for pixel art. But now, because I've got white there, green is the background, I can go across there and it will change to green. And again, there or there. So if you can hold down the shift as well, so if I go over here, white, hold the shift down and it draws in a straight line, all white. But again, if I go over it again, hold down the shift again, it draws in green. But anywhere else, it will draw in white. If I go and change the colour, so let's just go and change this to blue. So blue, and apply it over here, you can see it happens, it just goes blue. If I apply it again, it goes green, because the green is the background colour. Go here, it's going to be blue. Go here, it's going to be green. And so on. You can create all kinds of colour combinations, two colours, and you can just paint without changing the colour back and forth. So it makes it really easy to quickly build up, say, black and white designs. You can also create a quick colourful grid. Simply go to the pencil tool, set it to 1, go to the brush settings, and then make certain the colour dynamics is set on, set all these to fairly high values, and simply apply. And as you drag, you can see all the pixels will be turned to different colours. So you can rapidly build up a very colourful design using this approach. How do you find this tool? Have you used the pencil tool? Do you use it a lot? Are there any features in the pencil tool that you think, wow, you haven't said about this or that? Are there any hidden secrets that you know about the pencil tool? Please put in the comments below. It'd be great to know how you use the pencil tool. Any other questions? Please let me know. Thank you much.